Today we want to talk about the power of nutrition on the brain and the body. I am an ex-alcoholic liver failure survivor, and I've been addicted to caffeine, nicotine, sugar, and alcohol. Drank alcohol for 24 years, and I was addicted to cigarettes for 16 of those years. But I don't smoke and I don't drink. And I have ADHD. But simply taking time away from those substances doesn't address the nutritional deficiencies associated with your overall well-being. That's what recovery is. This is why you're still tired. This is why you're exhausted. This is why you're depressed. This is why your anxiety spikes. Your body is an intricate system that needs essential nutrients to function optimally. I've worked with thousands of people, and each one of them has struggled to maintain a balanced diet. And that's because of their busy lifestyle or their subconscious programming that favors convenience over nutrition. And if you've got ADHD, that's where the simplicity of a system like Thrive Nutrition really comes in handy. So by following 3 easy steps, you can rewire your brain for health and support your body with all the appropriate nutrition it needs to thrive. Simply by focusing on your nutrition, you can combat common challenges like sobriety, depression, anxiety, and if you've got poor mental health, when you feel good, you do good. Now, some people have interesting brain chemistry, so medications are the right choice, but everybody can get significant improvements simply by giving the brain and body the nutrients that it needs. So regardless of what you're struggling with, you want to embrace the power of simplicity and neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to completely rewire itself. So when you've got less brain fog and you've got more focus and more interest, it's simply easier for you to rewire your brain to be a healthy person. But yet, it's easier said than done. That's why I'm here. Not only do I have specific guides strictly dedicated to who you are and how you can become a healthier person, but I built entire websites to help you get your hands on everything that you need. That's the difference between feeling great and feeling phenomenal. Nutrients. I don't drink caffeine, but how do I have so much energy? I don't take pre-workout when I go to the gym. Why am I not tired when I'm done? I don't drink coffee. Why don't I drink energy drinks? And that's because I've given my body all the nutrients that it needs, and that supports its natural processes. We want things that are going to improve our digestion, improve our immune system, and boost our energy levels. And we want to fuel our brain with essential nutrients that help us focus, manage our stress, and alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Taking time away from a toxin doesn't do that. And with Thrive Nutrition, you're taking control of your health and improving your overall well-being. That's the definition of recovery. Improving your physical performance, enhancing your cognitive ability, and just feeling good all day long. So if you're struggling and want a step-by-step regimen or simply want to taste Thrive, don't be afraid to check out my resources.